All right, what's poppin', everybody? It's Michael Alder from rawlandinvestments.com. I'm just updating the site. Now, yesterday we ran a little promotion. We had 16 wholesale deals. 3 of them sold yesterday. So we're on the back end of the website right now. We're going to remove a couple deals here. Starting with, this was one of them right here. So we're going to get rid of this Buy It Now button. Boom. One down. On to the next one. So you see we still got plenty of them in Putnam County. If you're into the Florida market there. This big one sold. Somebody got lucky on that one. That was a bigger lot. All at the same price point too. We bought a bundle of these. Get rid of the Buy It Now button. Then we had one more. Those Arkansas properties, we're still waiting for that deed to show up. We're going to update the site with those. We still got one in Valencia County here. We got our land flipping formula program. If you want to get into the investing side of this and not just the portfolio building, check that out. It's a digital download. You could dive right into it right away and learn how to buy and sell properties like we do. We got Socorro County. Those are available. We've got that solar charger for your exploration needs. Apache County, we're still good there. We have some of those available. This one just sold. That was a nice big lot as well that just went. Get rid of one more bar. All right, let's check it out. See how we're looking here. Boy, that took forever to load. Alrighty. So here's what the site's looking like now, what we have available. Video of me running my mouth as usual. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 in Putnam County available right now. 1 in Valencia County. I just went crazy on everybody there. We have 2 in Socorro County. Yep. And then we have 1, 2, 3 available in Apache County and 1 in Navajo County. Every one of these parcels could be acquired right now for $25 down, $25 a month. This is without a doubt the easiest way to expand your portfolio and really dive into this real estate game. So be sure to drop by rawlandinvestments.com. We're going to update the site consistently. Deals change practically every other day. So I truly appreciate you tuning into this video. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Text me on this number here if you need anything, and I'll catch you on the next video.